In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to play the Damaru twist drum. This specific instrument was handmade and hand painted in India, and it's famous throughout Hinduism culture because it's used by Lord Shiva, which is a god. So before we actually play the instrument, it's important that we stretch out our wrist. So if we just put our hand out like this and pull our fingers down gently, want to stretch out our wrist just to prevent strain whilst we're playing, as it can be quite intense. And if we go the other way, like that, and then we just give our wrist a bit of a shake. So what we want to do is we want to let the beads dangle, and between our ring finger and middle finger, we want to put our hand through it like that and hold on to the hourglass shape with our middle finger towards the middle of the drum, and then we're going to place our thumb over like this. And really what we want to do is make sure that in our position we're not blocking this bead from moving as it's going to strike both sides of the head. So now that we're in position, we can start slow and we can twist our wrist 45 degrees like this. We'll start slow and then we'll build it up over time. Whilst you're playing, you'll realise the pressure that it has on your wrist, and you'll be happy that you did some stretches before. Anyway, that's how to play the Indian Damaru. I hope you liked this video. If you want to check out the instrument, I will put a link in the description so you can do that.